Welcome back everyone to another video from Alexis Hidalgo Tech. Today we are going to demonstrate how to swap out the bands on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. I picked up this specific stainless steel band on Amazon just for 11 euros. But you can also source them on AliExpress for only 4 to 5 euros. Let's unbox the band and remove its protective plastic film. Removing the stock bands is actually much easier and far more satisfying than on previous generation models. Simply depress the metallic quick release button on the back and pull them straight out. Integrating the new ones is completely straightforward. Just align them with the locks and snap them into place. Now, let's test the fit on the wrist to determine how many links we need to extract. Keep in mind that the smartwatch shouldn't be too loose, or it will compromise the accuracy of the heart rate sensor. The included pin removal tool is highly intuitive. Fully open the tool's mechanism, align the watch band with the cradle, and ensure the tool fits in from the left, following the direction of the indicator arrows engraved on the inside of the band pointing to the right. Gradually thread the tool to drive the pin out until the band separates into two sections. We'll need to extract a second pin to fully remove a single link and then reassemble the band configuration. I highly recommend re-evaluating the fit after removing each individual link. Furthermore, never remove two consecutive links from the same side of the band. Always alternate sides to maintain an even, balanced distribution around your wrist. With the band fully reassembled, let's test it out. And it delivers a flawless fit. If you enjoyed this video, guys, smash that like button, share if you think could help someone else out, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech content like this. See you in the next one.